have Mr. Pradeep Dubey with us from SPAN. So, sir, would you like to throw some light about your project?
Our project is located in Mira Road. It is a very good project. It has 1 BHK and 2 BHK flats and very well designed, very well located. It is in a very good area. The rate in that area is going around 9,000 and we are giving it at 6,999 at MCHI.
Right, sir. And how was your overall review about the show? How was the show?
The show is very good and the footfall is very good, and hopefully we'll convert this footfalls into our results. So MCHI is a good platform to prove our group and our team.
Right, sir. Any other details would you like to share about the project? Any particular highlight about this project?
Yeah, Mira Road is a very upcoming area, and Mira Road again our project is located at Vasai also. Vasai is also very good area. There are 1 and 2 BHK flats. Vasai is also developing and Mira Road also developing. People could invest there. People could stay over there. It's a very safe place to stay, to invest there. The investment is safe in Vasai and Mira Road.
Mr. Arjun Kapoor from Kapoor Builders. So, what would you like to say something about your property in Andheri West, Powai?
Being in the market for 40 years, we see the need for bigger and better residential properties to be offered. So we've launched a premium project right on Powai Lake, which is comprising of 3, 4 and 6 BHK exclusive residential flats. This is for completely exclusive with running decks, private infinity pools on the terraces and very, very exclusive flats. Seeing the need of the market for bigger and better opportunities for people to invest, we've actually catering to the upper niche market in upcoming areas like Powai and Andheri and places like that. So seeing the market trend, that's how we've introduced such properties. Thank you.
All right, sir. Sir, any other special features that you're offering to your clients on this project?
Sure. The smaller services which have not been introduced at private residences like butler services, your valet parking and your inner residential spa services, which is all taken care of in your property itself, and it's not done by any outside company, and it's all paid by beforehand. Nothing will be charged, nothing will be of extra, which is always a hidden cost in different projects and by different people. But this is all come under exactly your same package, which is included in your building as well.
Thank you so much, Mr. Arjun. So we were with Mr. Arjun Kapoor from Kapoor Group of Companies. So we have Mr. Dipesh Bana from Kabra Group. Mr. Dipesh Bana, what would you like to share about your property?
Yeah, we are upcoming with a few properties in the western suburb. Like we have one property known as Pratap, which is just ahead of Versova metro station, near over there. So that is a very prime property for us. Over there we are coming with commercial as well as residential over there, with beautiful amenities and beautiful features in that properties. So that is a major, one of the projects which is in Andheri, and second is coming up in Kalina. Kalina also on main CS Street Road, the new SELR what we call. Over there we have coming with beautiful amenities and very nice projects launching very soon within a span of 3 months right now. Looking forward for that, and as I've seen that MCHI was the right platform for promoting all those properties over here.
Right, sir. So what are the special features that you're offering to your clients apart from all the builders?
Over here in MCHI?
Any special discounts you're offering?
No, the price what we have offering over here are very special, especially for we have selected for MCHI over here.
Right, so how was your review about MCHI property show?
Means if you want to give right now of this current is 10 out of 6 right now, because we were finding that because of New Bombay MCHI, this show was very slow down right now.
Thank you so much. This was Mr. Dipesh Bhane from Kabra Group. Thank you so much. कैसा रहा आपका रिस्पॉन्स MCHI में?
अभी तो देखा हूँ लास्ट ईयर से अभी थोड़ा बेटर रहेगा, मतलब हाँ काफ़ी मतलब लोगों का आना अभी चालू है और मतलब अच्छा रिजल्ट मिल रहा है, मतलब कि रेट कम थोड़ा कर रहे हैं बिल्डर लोग अपने हिसाब से, जितना हो सकता है ऑफर दे रहे हैं और अच्छे अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट लोग ला रहे हैं यहाँ पे बिल्डर लोग। उसके अंदर अपना कहीं पे रेट कम करने की, रेट तो वैसे ही कम कर दिया है इन्होंने, और भी आगे जाके वो रेट और कम करेंगे, टेबल पे बैठेंगे तो बात ऐसे ऐसे बिल्डर लोगों का है।
सर और कुछ आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस रियल एस्टेट से रिलेटेड?
रियल एस्टेट में अभी मार्केट तो काफ़ी अच्छा चल रहा है और मार्केट अभी नीचे थोड़ा मतलब कि जो रेट है उससे और थोड़ा डाउन होने का चांसेस है और उसके बाद पब्लिक खरीदेगी, यहाँ तक हमारे को उम्मीद लग रही है। और यहाँ अभी BKC का अंदर ये जो एग्जीबिशन हो रहा है, इसके बाद फिर कल गोरेगांव में भी है, हाँ तो वहाँ पे भी।
तो हमारे साथ थे शर्मा जी, जिनका ये रिव्यू था कि मार्केट्स अभी स्टेबल है फ़िलहाल और उनको MCHI से बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिला, बेटर रहा पहले से। थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर शर्मा।
थैंक यू मैम।
सो वी हैव मिस्टर Ronish फ्रॉम टाटा ग्रुप. So how was your review of MCHI?
Well, so far the review is good. Compared to the last year, the response is slightly low. The kind of footfall we normally expect in the exhibition in MCHI, which is a pillar of in the housing industry, wherein all the banks, all the #1 builders, all the institutions participate. So compared to the previous years, the response this year has been pretty low, I would say. Maybe because I guess a lot of people who have already bought their houses, they are here for kind of a shopping spree, kind of identifying their second house predominantly for an investment point of view. This is what I feel.
So which product are you promoting in this exhibition?
We are from Tata Capital Housing Finance and we take care of housing loans. We cater to all the loans which are secured. I mean, we have various products like home loans, home equity, business loans and all. But predominantly we are into secured lending.
So how was the market overall?
See, what information we could gather from all the banks. The last quarter for all the banks was exciting. Like normally how it is, the last quarter of the financial year. This year yes, there is a increase in the business, home loan business, and this year we are expecting good amount of business compared to the previous year. The previous year was slightly slow, but this year, yes, we are expecting a good footfall.
Right, sir. On behalf of Spin TV entire group, I wish you all the best to your organization. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks a lot.
सर आपको ये एग्जीबिशन में आके कैसा लग रहा है?
काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है। एवरी ईयर वी यूज्ड टू कम हियर, कुछ नए प्रोजेक्ट्स मिलते हैं देखने के लिए और जो भी एरिया हम लोग को चाहिए वो एरिया हम लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। दैट्स व्हाट वी आर विजिटिंग द MCHI.
So do you think is there any advantage to visit this year?
Yeah, definitely we get the options. We get the options, area-wise options available है, central, western, harbour. So that is the plus point.
So is it better than previous years?
They are doing always. They were always trying to do it better than the previous year. और वो हम लोग ने always देखा है कि there is some improvement. The people are calling us before the exhibition and we let know like कि मालूम पड़ता है कि क्या project चल रहा है. So it was very good like.
Thank you. हमारे साथ है मनीष जो MCHI के विजिटर है. आपको MCHI में आके कैसा लग रहा है?
काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छे डिटेल्स दिए गए प्रोजेक्ट्स और काफ़ी बिल्डर्स के प्रोजेक्ट्स दिए गए, नॉट ओनली अक्रॉस साउथ मुंबई बट अक्रॉस द लेन कवर की इवन द वेस्टर्न सबर्ब्स, सेंट्रल सबर्ब्स, काफ़ी डिटेल्स दिए गए, काफ़ी ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, प्लस जो फाइनेंस ऑप्शंस भी यहाँ पे रेडीली अवेलेबल हैं, तो कस्टमर्स को काफ़ी सहूलियत हो रही है यहाँ पे आने से। एक ही जगह पे सारा व्यू मिल रहा है कि अक्रॉस मुंबई, पुणे प्लस क्या क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स अवेलेबल है, So it is really very easy to come to this place and get the more information on these projects.
Okay, and what do you think about this year? Is it doing better than previous years?
Definitely it's going better than the previous year. Given जो डाउनटर्न आया था उसके बाद में अभी लोगों में कॉन्फिडेंस आया है इन्वेस्टमेंट करने का भी, घर खरीदने का भी. तो डेफिनेटली ये साल ऐसा लग ही रहा है कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हो रहे हैं प्रॉपर्टी मार्केट्स में.
हमारे साथ है मिस्टर नीरव जो MCHI क्रेडाई के विजिटर है. सर, आपको MCHI में आके कैसा लग रहा है?
Yeah, I think it's excellent. I mean, the way it is organized, I really feel good. Okay, it's quite structured, and having good experience so far.
So, do you think is there any advantage this year comparatively?
Definitely, yes. It's like a one-stop shop. Okay, where I am able to see a lot of launches, and certainly as per my appetite, I am able to see everything under one roof. Okay, I'm finding it absolutely fantastic.
हमारे साथ है मिस्टर तिवारी जो MCHI क्रेडाई के विजिटर है. Sir, what do you think about MCHI Credai this year?
It's good. I had it was informative. The stalls that I see here, those people are nice, and the interaction is good. I hope to find a good property soon enough.
And is it beneficial to you?
Yeah, a lot, because I didn't know much about the property scene here, and now that I understand, I think it will really help me find the right property for myself. And make a better investment, I guess so.
हमारे साथ है मिसेस कल्पना जो MCHI क्रेडाई की विजिटर है. मैम, आपको यहाँ आके कैसा लग रहा है?
Yeah, it's good. You get the information of all the locations, the areas, the fit outs, the rates, the builders, the discounts you're giving. But I see there are all high-ended things. It's not for the common people. The 1 BHKs which are for for the groups like working classes. So there should be some builders coming up with 1 BHK economic flats. That is what I require.
So do you think this year is better than previous years?
Yeah, it is, because you are giving more detailed information to the people coming around, and they have more space to think over and come back on that.